Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's in night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels. Black MB-Tex interior with a salt pattern trim. GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, convenience package with auto dimming mirror, garage door openers, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This GLA has 20,048 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250, visit us at feldmanimports.com.